Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm checking out this fantastic, it's my brand new YOSUDA bike. This thing is incredible. It has a 350-pound weight capacity. It's got the onboard computer, a great rack for putting your tablet or phone, all sorts of stuff that I have to tell you about, including some high-end adjustable pedals, 100 different magnetic settings. This is a magnetic bike. They're using real steel to build it, and it is probably one of the best bikes on the market. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So let me go ahead and show you some of the things I like most about this bike. Now, first off, the easy adjustment for tension right here, over 100 different magnetic settings. It's going to be ultra quiet. The magnetic tensioning on this is just going to be way quieter. You can't even hear it compared to some of the other ways that they do this. Also, the extra wide seat with a little cushioning on each side is going to be much more comfortable on your backside. You've got a really significantly adjustable up and down, as well as front and back adjustment here, as well as a huge height adjustment. You can see the sides here for your handlebars. The rubberized handlebars are fantastic. And of course, there's the drink holder. Something else I really like about this is that they've got sturdy kind of grips for your feet. And these are going to be adjustable in size, and they really put a top end here. Now, something else that I like about this is the great color scheme. That black and orange with a little bit of red. The white contrast really stands out, and that is nice as well. Couple that with a high-end onboard computer that's going to do your calories, it's going to do your distance, going to do your time, and everything in between, all your intervals. Really make this kind of one of the best, if not the best, bike that you can get. So let me tell you a little more about it. Now I got to show you how adjustable the handlebars and seats are. You see all the way up here to all the way down. That is a significant height difference in terms of how tall of a rider it can support. I'm well over 200 pounds, I'm 6'3", no problem. My wife is 4'9", under 100 pounds, she can ride it as well. So that's going to be a huge advantage for a bike like this. Also, I have to hand it to this brand of bikes that putting it together is relatively simple. 2 bolts back here, 2 bolts in the front, and the large majority of it is done. There aren't hundreds and hundreds of bolts that you have to put together. When you get this thing, they were smart about it. They had it practically set up for you. Now I have to take a moment and show you how quiet this bike is. This is great if you're trying to watch TV or listen to music, or if you're doing this in a household or an area that you don't want to be making a ton of noise. This is with significant resistance, and you don't hear anything. Let me be quiet for just a second. Just a really nice bike that goes very smoothly. The magnetic resistance, you can adjust it to really relaxed, to really crank this thing up, and it's like moving in mud. So that's what makes this bike fantastic. And again, I'm also very happy with the fact that easy to put together. It does have 2 front little wheels so you can move it around. I'm getting winded just using it, I got to admit. You've got a nice platform here for putting your tablet or iPhone. You've got the computer on screen. You've got the resistance at just a hand away. And this thing is really, gonna make you feel good, folks. So if you're looking for a great bike with a very comfortable seat, that should not be underrated. Good grip on here, quiet and adjustable. So like the feet are adjustable, so if you have an uneven floor, it doesn't rock, it's sturdy. Whew. I'm really winded. Go ahead and pick it up, you absolutely won't be disappointed.